So I'm starting a money challenge using options trading as the leverage. And I'm starting with $1,000. I used ChatGPT to help me brainstorm how to make this possible, and this is how it went. If I have a stock trading account that starts with $1,000 and I made 10% profit daily compounded gains every trading day, Monday through Friday, how much money would I have in my trading account after 1 month? To calculate the total amount in your trading account after 1 month, assuming 10% profit every day, Monday through Friday, and compounding gains, we can use the formula for compound interest. And they break down what the letters mean. After 1 month of trading days with 10% profit compounded daily, your trading account would have approximately $1,971. That is incorrect. I'm no mathematician, but that's definitely incorrect. So let's try to reword this because ChatGPT didn't understand. With compounded daily gains, after day one, I would have made 10% profit of $1,000. So my day one total would be $1,100. And on day two, I would make 10% profit of $1,100. What would my day two total be? Ooh, not her apologizing to me. She said, apologies for the confusion in my previous response. You're correct with that compounded daily gains. After day one, your total would be $1,100. Let's recalculate the total amount in your trading account after 1 month considering this correction. Not her apologizing to me. Okay, I accept your apology. So she gives me a new formula. Okay. But gives me the same total. No, ChatGPT, this is wrong. Apologies for the oversight. You're correct again. On day two, you would make 10% of the total from the previous day, which is $1,100. Let's calculate day two total. Okay, so therefore on day two, your total would be $1,210. Now we're on the right track. Yes, that is correct. She apologizing again. She likes to apologize to me. I need her to be my man. I apologize for the confusion earlier. Thank you for pointing out the error. If you would like to continue calculating the total amount in your trading account for 1 month, incorporating the correct daily profits, please let me know and I'll be happy to assist you. Yes.
Yes, please give me the day 30 total with this correction in mind.
Okay, so here, this is what we need to see right here. After 30 days of trading days with 10% profit compounded daily, your trading account would have approximately $17,449.02. Please note that this calculation assumes consistent and continuous daily gains, which may not be realistic in real-world trading scenarios. It is important to consider market fluctuations and other factors that can impact actual trading outcomes. So this is pretty much in the ballpark. I have played around with her a little bit. So like over here, I have a tab that's already open and I had her break it down for me before filming this video day by day. And when she did it day by day, the total came out to $18,145.71 with 22 trading days. So needless to say, daily compounded 10% profit adds up. Whether it's 17,000 something, 18,000 something, 20,000 something, it definitely adds up. And so me getting inspired by just realizing how securing 10% of your profits every day, which seems like a very conservative and modest goal, especially to a lot of traders out there, really inspired me to want to lock that in when you see how those little gains add up over time. As stock option traders especially, we like to chase the big gains, 30%, 20%, 50%, 100%. But as far as overall account, I am really inspired by what ChatGPT has made visually clear to me. Now, just for giggles, let me go back to here and I'm gonna actually ask her to write it out for me day by day.
Can you write out my starting balance and ending balance for every day for 22 trading days?
There's 22 trading days in a month, so let's keep that in mind. Okay, this is what I like to see, yeah. When she writes it out for me, she does a good job. There we go. Yep. Love that. Now let me ask her how much money will I have after 3 months. So that would be 66 trading days approximately. 1,640,000, wait, That's too much. Okay. See, again, I have to ask her to break it down for me because she just gets a little overzealous. Okay. Can you write out the starting and ending balance for days 22 through day 66? Certainly. Here's the breakdown of the starting balance. And there she goes. She's generating, you guys. So let's see how much I will have if I keep this 10% goal going for 3 months. This is, of course, assuming that you win all of it. Oh, continue. I want you to continue. Yes, yes. Don't stop on day 52. We're almost there. Wow. Now, again, this is with a 100% success rate, which is not going to happen. But this is just something that's so inspiring to me. On day 66, which is 3 full months of trading, with this profit-taking strategy, your ending balance would be $422,956.80 after starting an account with $1,000. If that's not inspiration, that small gains add up, I don't know what is, you guys. So again, of course, this is not going to be foolproof and just go perfectly as planned, but this is something to aspire to and to really think, wow, if I discipline myself enough to not be super greedy and to take my profits when I hit a total account gain of 10%, it can add up over time with patience, discipline, and perseverance. So what I have decided to do is create a challenge around this because I think that this is super inspiring and also super doable, which is the happy medium. That's like right where you want to be at. So I decided to start a 10% a day challenge hosted by me through my trading Discord group. So this is how it's going to work. I want to give it a catchy name. So I think the name is going to be something like 10% a day keeps the poverty away. I don't know why that came to my head. That's what came to my head when I was thinking about this, and that's what's sticking. So I think that's what we're going to do. 10% a day keeps the poverty away. That is the name of the challenge. The challenge is going to be from July 7th, 2023 to September 7th, 2023. And this is how it's going to work. So starting with $1,000, every trading day, we're going to divide that $1,000 or whatever the balance is that day into 3. So on day 1, we're dividing into 3. That's $333 per trade. And we are going to take high probability setups, okay? We do not have room to be messing up or doing super risky plays. And we are going to stop, sell, and secure our profits when our total account value hits 10% for the day. Secure it at 10%. We have to be super, super disciplined with this. So when you're dividing your account into 3 trade plays for the day, winning 10% of your overall account can look something like this. Let's say you took that 1/3 of your account and you put that into a trade and you made 30% profit on that trade. Bam, you're done for the day. Getting 30% profit on 1/3 of your account is 10% of your total account. Trust me, the math is mathing on it. So if you win 1 trade, you don't have to take those next 2. You're done. You got 30% on that 1 trade, you're done. Or it can look like closing all 3 of your trades at 10%. If you close all 3 of your trades at 10% gain, then you got an overall account value of 10% for the day. Another way that this can play out is if you took that 1 trade that was using 1/3 of your account and you lost 10% of it. Okay, boom, you lost 10% of that. We're closing that out. We're taking that loss. Now on the second trade with the second third of your account, you make 20% profit. Okay, so we recovered that 10% loss and we got 20% profit. Okay, great. So with that third and final trade, you would need to also make 20% profit in order for your entire account value to be plus 10% for the day. If you can't already tell, this is a very disciplined challenge. So this is going to require you to show up every day, take the trades, secure the profit, keep it moving. Okay, do not get hyper fixated on blah, blah, blah. And there will be some days where we will just lose. Sometimes that happens whether you're doing a challenge or not. So you do have to keep that in mind. But as long as we secure our profits at our profit targets and we keep our losses super small, that's the key here, especially with small accounts. Keep the losses super small. I really feel good about this challenge, you guys. And I have been sitting on this challenge for a little over a month. What inspired me, honestly, to look into how small gains can grow over time is I was reading The Psychology of Money. So I was reading the book, and they have a whole chapter in there dedicated to compounded interest. And it also talks about compounded gains. And it had so many examples of how compounded gains is like this huge snowball effect where it starts off super small and then it can get huge avalanche style. Like it just blows up out of nowhere. Like we just saw how day 1, you're at $1,000. Day 66, you're at almost $500,000. We see how the snowball can grow. It's not always about the big risks, the big gains, the big flips. Securing small profits every single day can and will lead to wealth. So, if you are up for this challenge, I invite you to join me. I do have a few trading courses, so if you are watching this before July 7th, please look into the trading courses. If you're a beginner trader or you need to brush up on your skills, I definitely invite you to join the Options University community. And in the Options University course, I just uploaded a new module which teaches you how to trade active trader on Webull. I'm going to be using Webull for the entire duration of this challenge. Not only have I, in my personal trading life, have switched over to Webull, but I really like how their active trader allows me to get in and out of trades super fast, and their profit and loss daily totals and how they keep track of everything is going to be really helpful for my screenshots when documenting this challenge. If that interests you, please check out my website. That will be the first link in the description box and the first pinned comment in the comment section. And how you can trade with me and trade with us during this challenge is through my Discord group. I have a special right now on Discord where if you buy 2 months, you get 1 free. So you get 3 full months of Discord for $44. That's it. Once again, this challenge is going to begin July 7th. 7-7, y'all know how I feel about my angel numbers, okay? And then 2023 is a 7 year. Hello. So I have to do it. I have to do this challenge. Just as a challenge taker and challenge seeker, I'm excited to dive deep into something like this where I see that the numbers are there. I see that something like this makes sense. If you guys want to join me, let's go do it. So get your $1,000 ready, deposit it in Webull or whatever trading platform you use, and let's get this money. Of course, there's going to be a special discount code for all my stock option courses down below. So check that out so you don't spend more than you have to. I'll see you guys later. Bye.